So I want to show you how to use the message center in Infinite Campus to send messages to your students and their guardians. So you're going to make sure that you're over here in the message center. You'll have any messages you've already received right here, but I'm going to send a new one. So I'm going to click New. Under the message type, you'll see different templates, grade message, missing assignment message, and class message. Class message is a blank template. There's nothing in there. But if you select one of these, I'll select grade messages here just to show that there are some pre-populated fields here in the message body. I'm going to focus on a blank message right now. So I'm just going to click class message. You see down here is empty. Down a little bit, you're going to select your delivery date and time and the reply to email address. I'm going to send this immediately, so I don't want to change those settings, but if you want to, you have the option. A little below where I showed you a second ago, you're going to have your subject. I'm just testing this email and testing this email body. But you can see here you have the option to format just like any other email. Over here, you're going to select, after you hit next, the recipients. You have the option to select all recipients from sections or just specific recipients from sections. I'm going to select all, and I'm going to be working in term quarter one, and I only want to focus on this computer applications section here. So I make sure that I have the correct boxes ticked. And below that, for the recipients, you have the option to choose student messenger contacts or just students. If you just want to send your message to your students, you're going to just select students here. But if you also want to send it to the secondary, the primary and secondary contacts in their Infinite Campus account, the guardians, you're going to select this box as well. I'm going to click Next. Over here, you can review what your message is going to look like and how many recipients it's going to be going to. Over here, you can also review those recipients to make sure you have your intended audience selected. You can also deselect anybody there if you'd like to. I'm going to click Save, Close, and then it'll take me back to that Review Recipients option, and then you can click Send. I'm going to click back just to show you that if you deselect that and just select your students and then review those recipients, you'll see that those guardians have been removed, and I'm only sending this message to students. Next, I'm going to click Send, and it says your message has been sent successfully, and then you'll receive your recipient count and some other stats to go along with it. If you would like, you can review the log, you can go back, or you can just close.